High wind watch message. High wind watch for all Hawaiian Islands Wednesday evening through late Thursday night. What? Southwest winds 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour possible. Where? All Hawaiian Islands. When? From Wednesday evening through late Thursday night. Impacts. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. Strongest winds will likely be across windward and mountain areas of Oahu and Kauai. However, portions of Maui County and the Big Island could also see periods of strong winds. Take precautions now to protect property. Tie down loose objects or move them to a sheltered location. A high wind watch means that strong and potentially damaging winds in excess of 40 miles per hour with frequent gusts over 60 miles per hour are expected to be not yet occurring. Take precautions now to protect property. Tie down loose objects or move them to a sheltered location.